Hi guys, let's continue with our bar graphs. Here we have a bar graph for our favorite sports. That's our title. We have soccer, baseball, football, and then we have the number of votes. How many people voted for soccer? So I would go over here, see soccer, 6. 6 people voted for soccer. How many people voted for football? So let's look at football. Let's go all the way up here. Look at this number. It is the number 8. Or we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 people voted for football. Are there fewer baseball or soccer? So let's look. Baseball has 1, 2, 3 votes. Soccer has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 votes. And then football, we know 8 votes. So that is called labeling, and we should always label our graph. So let's get back to our question. Are there fewer baseball or soccer? Let's look. Baseball, we have 3. Soccer, we have 6. So which one is fewer? You're right. Baseball is fewer. So there are fewer votes for baseball. Let's look at this graph. This graph says favorite weekend activities, play, visit family, movies. So let's label a graph. Play has how many votes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see that correspond to this number right here. So play has 8 votes. Visit family. Visit family has 5 votes. Good. And movies has 7 votes. So let's look at our questions. Question number 1. Which activity has the most votes? Most. So we have 8, 5, 7. 8 is our greatest number. So play has the most votes. Okay. Which activity has the least? The smallest number here, least, would be visit family. So visit family. Visit family with 5 votes, so that has the least number of votes. How many people voted in all? So now we need to count the number of votes. There's 8, 5, and 7. We can add up those 3 numbers, or we can just count them. Okay, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many people voted in all? 20 people voted in all. Another way we can do this is we know that 7 plus 7 is 14. That's our double. 14 plus 1 more is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. Let's take a look at this bar graph. We are sorting our shapes. So we have triangle, we have hearts, and we have squares. How many triangles do we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 triangles. How many hearts do we have? We have 8 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 6 over here. 6 squares. How many fewer triangles than hearts were sorted? Look at the hearts and the triangles. So we're looking at hearts and triangles. Okay? So here we have 1 heart, 1 triangle, okay, 2 hearts, 2 triangle, 3 hearts, 3 triangle. We'll have 3 triangles, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 extra hearts. Okay, so there are 5 less triangles than hearts. How many more squares than triangles were sorted? So we're looking at squares. We know we have 6 squares. And then we know we have 3 triangles. So how many more squares do we have than triangles?